Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker. My god, it's been a while, almost a month. I do apologise for that. Today, I have brought my Triumph out to the lovely Hanningfield Reservoir for no particular reason other than the fact that I just kind of like it around here and there's a absolutely glorious breeze, but that's getting off topic. Today, I'm going to be trying to see if the DJI Mic Mini can be mounted to the bike in a certain way to get some better like engine audio, because I want to do some more just like cinematic like ride videos of no talking, because they're just sort of something that's quick and easy to film. But I haven't done this before. I haven't done it on the car, I haven't done it on this, so let's see what I can come up with. I'm thinking, I've currently got one mic on me just to record this bit, so I'm thinking of putting one mic underneath the seat and then one mic somewhere on the front of the bike, around here maybe, because that's where the airbox is and you get the induction noise. So, roll on the intro, I really need to update that, and then I'll show you where I've decided to put the microphones. was that then? Because I have no idea yet until I go home and have a listen myself. But hopefully that was quite good, or at least better than the microphone in my helmet. I mean, if you're seeing this video, it must have not been that bad. So yeah, thank you for watching this. I know it's been a bit short, this one, but I will have some more stuff on the way soon. Hopefully, I think Wednesday, me and Emma are going to go out and film something, maybe even 2 videos. So I promise uploads will start again soon, or as of now. Anyway, thank you for watching, and ta-ta! Congratulations, you have reached the bonus scene. Here are geese and ducks. They are plentiful. Some even swim. That is all.